DPO alert. When does a partial ID become personal data? Imagine requesting your own telecom records and finding out the company unlocked the file using part of your national ID. Legal or a GDPR violation? One Lithuanian citizen took this exact scenario to the State Data Protection Inspectorate, and the result might surprise you. In July 2024, the customer filed a complaint after discovering that their telecom provider had used the last 4 digits of their personal ID code to encrypt a file sent via email. The document included sensitive call records. The provider explained they retrieved the ID code when the customer submitted a signed data request using their e-signature. When verifying that signature through gosign.lt, the full ID was displayed. Now here's where it gets tricky. Normally, the company sends encrypted files with a code via SMS. But in this case, the customer's number had been blocked for suspected fraud. So the provider used what they thought was a clever alternative. Encrypt the file using the last 4 digits of the customer's ID, something only the customer should know. The customer disagreed, arguing this was unauthorized processing of personal data and demanded the Inspectorate investigate. The authority examined 2 key questions. First, was accessing the full ID legal? Yes. Under Article 6(1) GDPR, processing is lawful if it's necessary to comply with a legal obligation. Since telecom data is considered sensitive traffic data, verifying the requester's identity was necessary. Second, did using the last 4 digits to encrypt the file count as processing personal data? The Inspectorate said no. Under Article 4(1) GDPR, data must identify someone directly or indirectly. 4 digits alone? Not unique, not personal data. No GDPR rules apply. So what was the verdict? Complaint dismissed. No fine, no breach. But plenty for privacy professionals to think about. Here are your key takeaways. E-signatures can legally expose ID numbers, but only use them for what's strictly necessary. If using partial identifiers for encryption, make sure they're not uniquely identifying in your context. Always consider fallback options for secure communication and document your choices. Want more real-world GDPR insights to level up your compliance game? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're here to help you become the privacy leader your organization needs.